Hey guys, welcome back this week to Cooking with AlphaDior. This week, you guys, I wanted you guys to watch how I make my easy brownie dessert in a cup. It's really easy. I would like you guys to just go ahead and if you have the ingredients that I'll be showing you, you can grab those ingredients and bake along with me. Or you guys could just watch how I make these and make them for yourself. They're really easy and you won't believe how many ingredients you will need for this. It's not too many, you'll be surprised. So if you are ready for this week's sweet treat idea, grab your ingredients, grab your bowls, your cooking spoons, whatever you need, and let's get started. If you don't have the ingredients and would like to make it at a different time, that's okay too. You can also, again, watch how I do it and go and make it for yourself. Really easy, really good, really fun. If you are into chocolate, if you're into brownies, you may love this week's idea, this week's sweet treat idea. So yeah, let's get started. First things first, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera around and let you guys see exactly what we're going to be using. It's not too much. Oh, you know what? Before I start, let me get this, show you guys this as well. So you will need, you guys, you're going to need, of course, your fudge brownie mix. And this is just the the Betty Crocker mix, and I have 2 packages of these. If you guys can see that, hope you can see it. Okay, and you're also gonna need your Cool Whip topping. So by any means, again, your bowl. Let me flip the camera down so you guys can see a little bit better. Okay, that's a little bit better. So by any means, we're gonna go ahead and get started on this. Of course, we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna do these in a cup. So I have about 3 of these glasses here. And the reason why I have 3 is because Carter and I, we're gonna share one. Then of course I have one for Trinity, which is my 18-year-old. Then I have one for Taya, which is my other daughter. And yeah, so we have 3 cups here, and you just get how many cups that you would like to make. Of course, I only have 3 because I don't have too many people in the house. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. First thing first, we're gonna mix up our brownie batter. And here's just telling us per package of this, we need 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of water, and 1 egg. So let's go ahead and grab our oil and our eggs. Have an oil here, and it's just the Great Value vegetable oil. We're gonna come back with 2 eggs. Okay, here we have our 2 eggs. These are the medium eggs. Again, they're from Great Value box of eggs. Okay, don't roll over now. Don't be playing tricks on me. Okay, so. Snipples with our brownie batter mix. That one, just like so, and just like so. And I have 2 packages of the batter mix. You guys may not need that. The reason why I got 2 packets is because my baking sheet, this is the only baking sheet I have for right now. I don't have a smaller one, so I'm gonna need 2 for this to fill this whole thing up. If you have a smaller size baking pan, then you probably only need 1 package of this batter for your brownies. So yeah, that's one thing. I think I need to get a smaller baking dish. My brownie batter in my bowl. I'm gonna pull it up so you guys can see a little bit better. Okay. Hopefully that's better for you guys. Okay. So we have our brownie batter in our bowl. tablespoons of butter. Okay, I have my baking sheet, you guys, and I'm going to go ahead and get the brownie batter over into the baking sheet. And then we're going to throw this over into the oven. We're going to let this bake for about, let's see what it's telling us, for about 25 minutes. And then we're going to go ahead, we're going to take our brownie batter out of the oven, let your brownies cool. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to start putting our brownie. Okay, guys, so here I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pour my brownie batter over into my baking dish. Once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and get this over into my oven, let this bake. Then we're going to pull it out and we're going to go ahead and we're going to start preparing our brownie dessert cups. Okay. And again, like I said, I really didn't need this much, this big of a pan. I don't need these many brownies, but because I'm only making 3 cups, but we can always save a couple of brownies. But like I said, if you guys have a smaller baking dish, by all means use that because we don't need this much. But since this is the only one we have and we're working with, we're using what we have. So just like so, if you guys can see that, we have our brownies on there. And again, we're going to stick these over into our oven. I have my oven on 350 for about 20-25 minutes, and we'll be right back so we can get our cups made. Okay, I'll be right back.